Okey Dokeys!
Hello, happy crafters. Welcome back to Okey Dokeys. Today we're going to solve a common crochet mystery. How do you tell which side of your crochet is the right side? Let's unravel this together. In crochet, the right side is the front or display side, where your stitches look their best, while the wrong side is the back. Usually, the right side has a smoother, more defined stitches. Let's see how to spot this on different projects. When working in rows, look for the yarn's starting tail. It should be on your left side if the right side is facing you. This is an easy clue to ensure you're looking at the front. For projects in the round, notice the natural curve of your work. The right side will curve outward, and you'll see the tail tucked on the inside of the curve. This helps you identify the funk. For projects in rounds, notice the natural curve of your work. The right side will curve outward, and you'll see the tail starting on the inside. This helps you identify the front quickly. Why does this matter? Well, the right side shows off your stitches in all their glory, perfect for wearables and display pieces. To keep track, simply mark the right side with a stitch marker or safety pin as you work. And there you have it. Now you can confidently identify the right side of your crochet projects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips from Okey Dokeys. Happy crocheting!